Here is a great opportunity for people who are looking for work from home remote opportunity. Hello everyone. You can earn money from home processing medical claims and invoices. Here is a great opportunity for people looking for full-time remote opportunity in the field of medical billing. If you have 1 year of experience in medical billing, you will be a preferred candidate and you must have high school diploma or equivalent degree. This is a full-time remote opportunity with Crew Bloom and the profile's name is Medical Biller. The company is looking for a medical biller to join one of its healthcare client. Here, the ideal candidate will be responsible for accurately and efficiently processing medical claims and invoices, ensuring timely reimbursement from insurance companies and patients. The medical biller will work closely with healthcare providers, insurance companies, and patients to resolve billing discrepancies and ensure compliance with regulatory equipments. This is 100% work from home opportunity, and here you can work from home or anywhere. Now let's check out about the roles and responsibilities. The company has mentioned a list of responsibilities for the role of medical biller. As a medical biller, you will be preparing and submitting accurate medical claims to insurance companies, Medicare and Medicaid for reimbursements. You will be generating and sending invoices to patients for services rendered, following up on outstanding balances and resolving billing discrepancies. You will be dealing with insurance companies for medical claims, and also for you will be sending invoices to patients. Here, you need to verify patients' insurance coverage and eligibility, ensuring all necessary authorizations and referrals are obtained before services being rendered. Here, you need to assign appropriate medical codes to diagnosis and procedures for billing purposes, ensuring compliance with coding guidelines and regulations. So, you should be aware of these medical codes. And here, you will be recording and reconciling payments received from insurance companies and patients, applying them to the appropriate accounts in the billing system. You need to investigate and appeal claim denials and rejections, identifying and addressing root causes to prevent future issues. You need to communicate with patients regarding billing queries, payment plans, and financial assistance options, providing excellent customer service while resolving concerns. Additionally, you will be maintaining accurate and up-to-date records of billing activities, including claim submissions, payments, and correspondence with insurance companies and patients. You need to adhere to all relevant healthcare regulations, including HIPAA and billing compliance guidelines, to ensure the integrity and confidentiality of patient information. You will be working with the healthcare team, and you need to make sure that all the medical claims are settled and invoices are being processed. You need to document everything properly. So everything is related to medical billing processes, like um, invoicing and process claims, etc. Now here are the skills and requirements that the company is looking for its candidate. For the profile of medical biller, the company has not asked for much of the qualifications, only a high school diploma or equivalent will work. Additional medical billing and coding certification is preferred. So if you have that, you will be a preferred candidate. In addition to that, if you have 1 year of experience in medical billing, preferably in a healthcare setting, you will be a preferred candidate. Additionally, if you have 1 year of experience in medical billing, preferably in a healthcare setting, you will be a preferred candidate. And you should be proficient in medical terminology, billing software, and insurance claim processing procedures. Apart from these, the company has mentioned skills like strong attention to detail, excellent organizational and time management skills, and the ability to multitask in a fast-paced environment, effective verbal and written communication skills, with the ability to interact professionally with patients, providers, and insurance representatives. And also, you should have demonstrated ability to analyze billing issues, identify solutions, and implement process improvements to optimize revenue cycle management. You should be able to collaborate with colleagues across departments to resolve billing related issues and achieve organizational goals. System requirements has also been mentioned by the company. So you should have at least 15 Mbps for main internet and at least 10 Mbps for backup internet. And you should have a desktop or laptop with an i5 processor and at least 8 GB RAM and an i3 processor for backup. Your backup should still be able to function when there is a power interruption. You should have a webcam, a noise cancelling USB headset, and you should have a quiet, dedicated home office so that you can work smoothly. So that's it. So if you think that there could be a good fit for the position of medical biller, here is the application form that you can fill up. This is a simple application form and you can fill up all the information. You need to provide technical specifications related to your desktop or laptop and then yes, submit the application form. So go ahead and check out all the details. So, and if you have interest and experience in the field of Medicare uh, and healthcare related setting, so you could be a good fit for this position. Go ahead, apply for the job.
Easy work from home opportunity. This is a full-time remote opportunity and where you will be working as an executive assistant. And here the company has asked for 2+ years of experience in an administrative role as an executive assistant. And here you will be answering, here your work will be involving like answering phone calls and confirming meetings and scheduling appointments, etc. So this is an easy work from home opportunity for people who are looking for full-time uh, full-time work from home positions. And here uh, you will have the flexibility to work from home or anywhere as long as you have a stable internet connection and and a laptop or a desktop, so you can work from anywhere. Now let's check out about the details. And the company is hiring for an executive assistant to support and empower the C-level team and manage their social media channels. And you will be a perfect fit for this position if you have impeccable, if you have proper communication, if you have solid communication skills, meticulous attention to detail, and takes the initiative and you take initiative to learn new things and solve problems. Now let's check out about the roles and responsibilities that the company has mentioned. So as an executive assistant, you will be answering phone calls, confirming meetings and scheduling appointments. You will be communicating and speaking with your executives clients to obtain pertinent data to prepare legal documents via phone calls and emails. You need to confirm meetings and schedule and communicate with the leaders upon completion and progress of appointments. You need to manage and maintain calendars and appointments. So you will be acting as an assistant to your executive uh, or the person you are assisting to. You will be handling administrative tasks such as filing, saving, scanning, photocopying, and mailing to the extent and unable to make phone calls. You need to complete word processing tasks, research and organize data. You need to maintain and manage contacts. You need to create documents, prepare legal retainers, email retainers for review and signing, monitor for signed retainers and fees or costs paid. You will be doing all these tasks to help your executive. And here you will be maintaining professionalism and strict confidentiality with all materials and exercise discretion when interfacing with the business. You will be managing social media channels and communicating with clients relating to relevant concerns and insights. And you will be ordering supplies. This is a kind of role where you will be assisting your executive in different manner. You will be basically helping the person to manage all their tasks, to manage their phone calls and emails, and scheduling their appointments, or you will be handling their social media channels and answering their customers, etc. And so you will be handling things on behalf of your executive. Now let's check out about the skills and requirements that the company has asked for. So here for the role of executive assistant, the company has asked for someone with at least 2 years of solid experience in an administrative role as an executive assistant. So you will be a preferred candidate if you already have some experience in executive assistant role or like a personal secretary kind of role. And you should have QuickBooks knowledge. You should be familiar with social media platforms. You should be proficient with the Microsoft Office tools such as Word and Excel. You should be able to maintain regular and punctual attendance. You should be able to multitask, problem solve. You should be able to multitask, problem solver, quickly adapt and be process oriented with the high attention to detail and capable of adapting quickly to a changing environment. Okay, so they have asked for someone who can adapt well to these kind of tasks and can do multitasking, because as an assistant you required to handle multiple tasks at one time. So you should also have strong verbal and written communication skills, including the ability to effectively facilitate and adjust communication styles to the audience. You should have, okay, strong time management skills, and you should be able to navigate between multiple windows or browsers with ease, perform extensive internet research, and type fast. You should be able to quickly learn new software and systems. You should be able to enter data into a computer quickly and accurately. So these were the skills and experiences that the company has mentioned for the role of executive assistant. And here are the system requirement. You should have proper work from home setup with at least 15 Mbps for the main internet and at least 10 Mbps for backup. You should have a desktop or laptop that has an i5 processor with at least 8 GB RAM and an i3 processor for backup. And backup should still be able to function when there's a power interruption. You should have a webcam, noise cancelling USB headset. uh, okay, you should also have a smartphone and a quiet dedicated home office. This is a remote work from home opportunity. You will have the flexibility to work from home or anywhere. So if you think that you could be a good fit for this position, go ahead and check out all the details, and here is the application form that you can fill up to apply for this position.